With Prime Day officially kicking off today and tomorrow, here are some scams they need to be aware of when shopping online within the next few days. An Israeli-founded cybersecurity company called Check Point has reported more than 1,200 new websites that have affiliated themselves with Amazon. This is 1,200 new websites in June alone, and over 80% of them were reported as either malicious or suspicious. Additionally, the Better Business Bureau has reported a record number of phishing reports just this time last year. So here are 3 scams to be on the lookout for and how to avoid them. The first one is going to be Prime membership scams. An email, text, or unsolicited phone call will reach out to you claiming there's some type of problem with your Prime membership. And in order for it to be fixed or participate in Prime Day, you need to give them sensitive information and or bank information to continue. Not give any personal details or sensitive information over the phone, text, or email. If you do think that there is a problem with your Prime membership, contact Amazon directly via the app or website, or contact their customer service. Second scam to be on the lookout for is fake websites and fake ads. These websites and ads are only intended to look like Amazon while you're scrolling on Instagram or Facebook, but they are slightly different if you're not paying attention. With the rise of AI, scammers are getting a little bit more sophisticated with their web development. Once you click the link and want to buy the product, it'll send you to some weird page where you input all of your sensitive information. And then obviously the more information that you give them, whether it's your credit card details, your home address, it obviously lead to you getting scammed. Be vigilant with the websites and ads that you are clicking. Make sure you are visiting secure websites. Now these secure websites will have HTTPS in the URL and not HTTP. If any links or home pages just look a little off, have weird letters and number combinations, trust your gut and leave the website immediately. As the old adage goes, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Now the third scam to be on the lookout for, I talk about on my channel all the time, it's the fake delivery scam. With this scam, you'll receive an unsolicited call, text, or email claiming that there's some type of holdup with your package. It could be different things, that it's stuck in a warehouse, there's a delay at the post office. None of this is real. This is what I mean. In case you're a visual learner, some type of text just like this, it was just random sent to me, but something that's stuck in a warehouse, whatever. It's a scam. Don't listen to it, ignore it, delete it, whatever. Like, look at this email it came from. Like, all this is a scam, so if you got something like this, just ignore it. The rush of urgency, you may panic and click a link that you're not supposed to. That link will take you to a page where you can input sensitive information where they can scam you, or it can just be an outright malicious link. Please take the time to be vigilant, trust your gut. If you get a weird text or email that just doesn't feel right, ignore it, delete it, don't even worry about it. If you think there is some type of problem with your package, again, contact customer service from Amazon or visit the app or website. The FTC reported about $10 million was lost to fraud in 2023, with that number only going up for the rest of 2024. Online shopping scams were second on that list, with imposter scams being the first. With the rise of artificial intelligence and advancements in technology, scammers are now increasing their activity when it comes to events such as this and around the holidays. I truly believe it's really only going to get worse, unfortunately, so please share this information with any loved ones, friends, or family. If you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this. I have videos on my channel talking about all different scams on all different platforms like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, eBay, in case you need some help with those websites. Appreciate everybody watching this video. Enjoy Prime Day, get some good deals, and I will see you on the next one.